Okay, but seriously, don't even think about getting this doorbell, all right? You might end up seeing everything at night, and we can't have that. Avoid this if you don't want to know when anyone is lurking around your door. You would totally get too many alerts about the pizza guy and stuff. And honestly, who needs to know when packages are delivered, right? Just let it surprise you like a box of chocolates. And forget about easy recharging, it's just too convenient. Installing it in a snap? Nah, just stick to the old school doorbells. Who wants to save videos for 180 days? Sounds like a trap. And pairing it with Alexa? Just too high-tech for my taste. So just, steer clear of this amazing doorbell, alright?